Which of the esters shown after reduction with lithium aluminum hydride and aqueous workup will yield 2 molecules of only a single alcohol? So if you see, when ester is treated with lithium aluminum hydride or C double bond OR, when treated with lithium aluminum hydride, you will get 2 molecules of alcohol. Means split this bond, convert this to alcohol, means RCH2OH plus ROH. So again I am explaining RCOOR when treated with lithium aluminum hydride. What happens? This bond will be cleaved. Convert this to alcohol, means RCH2OH plus ROH. Okay, now let us see what they are asking. The two alcohols should be same, means two alcohols should have same number of carbon atoms. Let us start with the first option. What is first option? CH3, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3. When this compound is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, what will I get? Split this bond. What will I get? CH3, CH2, CH2, OH plus CH3, CH2, OH. This is propanol having 3 carbon atoms. This is ethanol having 2 carbon atoms. Means 2 alcohols are not same. First option ruled out. Let us see second option. What is second option? C6H5, COO, C6H5. C6H5, COO, C6H5. Again what I asked you to do? Split this bond, convert this to alcohol and this also to alcohol. So what will I get? C6H5, CH2OH plus C6H5 OH. How many carbon atoms are there on this side? 7 carbon atoms are there. Here 6 carbon atoms. So both the carbon atoms are not same. Both the alcohols are not same. So second option is also ruled out. Let us see third option. C6H5, COO, CH2, C6H5. C6H5, COO, CH2, C6H5. This on hydrolysis with lithium hydride, lithium aluminum hydride. This compound when treated with lithium aluminum hydride. So this bond should be cleaved. So what will I get? C6H5, CH2OH plus C6H5, CH2OH. So 7 carbon atoms here, 7 carbon atoms here. So both the compounds have same number of carbon atoms. So your answer should be C. C is your answer. Lithium aluminum hydride